This year, Samsung is set to expand to a new product category: smart rings. The Korean tech giant teased its upcoming smart ring at its Galaxy Unpacked launch event in January. Later on, the company also showcased the wearable at the Mobile World Congress in February. Apart from showcasing the Galaxy Ring, Samsung has yet to reveal more details like the price and hardware specifications of the device. The smart ring market is picking up steam as more companies jump in. Now, Black Shark, a Chinese gaming tech company backed by Xiaomi and known for its gaming smartphones and accessories, is also getting in on the action. Black Shark has launched for sale in China the Black Shark Ring, after teasing it for a while on its social media accounts, particularly on the Chinese platform Weibo. Although the brand hasn't unveiled all the details yet, it has shared some information about the smart ring's battery life, a few of its health-related features, and its price. Black Shark is a Xiaomi sub-brand that's best known for its gaming phones, such as the Xiaomi Black Shark 5 Pro. But It Home has shared some promotional images and details of what it claims is the new wearable. The Black Shark ring is set to provide an impressive 180 days of battery life. While the company hasn't disclosed the battery life on a single charge for the ring itself, the carrying case will offer a total of 180 days of battery life. With such an extensive battery life, the Black Shark ring will be competing against devices like the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Unveiled at MWC 2024, the upcoming Galaxy Ring is said to offer between 5 to 9 days of usage. Other competitors in the market, like the Oura Ring, boast up to 7 days of battery life. The Black Shark Smart Ring features a slim profile, measuring just 2.2 mm thick, with a sleek black line running through the center. It is available in 2 color options at launch: silver and black and red. Additionally, the Smart Ring offers Smart Touch functionality. The Black Shark Ring tracks heart rate, blood oxygen levels, heart rate variability, and body temperature. The company also says it can track sleep patterns and data. Regarding the price, the company has announced it will be 599 Chinese yuan, around $83 when directly converted. For example, the Oura Ring price starts at $299 and it has an additional subscription plan. There's no confirmation yet if the Black Shark Ring will be available outside of China. However, we will keep you informed of any updates. Rumors also suggest that the Galaxy Ring may also include the ability to make wireless payments and control other devices. The Smart Ring is expected to arrive in 3 color options: silver, dark gray, and gold, and 9 sizes. The smallest one may pack a 14.5 mAh battery, while the largest one may pack a 21.5 mAh battery capacity. Just like the Galaxy Watch, Samsung's Smart Ring's compatibility may remain restricted to Android devices. The Galaxy Ring is expected to launch along with Samsung's upcoming foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 in August. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.